friends, Alan Taylor here with tailored content once again for another Friday Fintech Roundup. I'm filming on location here in North Texas where it's raining and feeling good. Anyways, crypto enthusiasts this week are going nuts. Bitcoin and Ether both hit all-time highs. Bitcoin went over 64,000 before sliding down to its current 60,000, while Ether touched on 2350. This happened because, or right at the time, Coinbase, the largest U.S. crypto exchange, went public. And something tells me that's more than just a coincidence. On a similar note, the entire crypto market rose to more than $2.2 trillion in market cap, which beats Apple, the world's largest company. Over half of that market cap belongs to Bitcoin. The New York Stock Exchange is riding the current wave of NFTs. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. In crypto lingo, that means each token is unique unto itself and presumably more valuable as a collectible. The NFTs are to commemorate the first stock trades of 6 companies, and those include Spotify, Snowflake, Unity, DoorDash, Roblox, and Coupang. Chime, one of the up-and-coming digital banks, is rolling out a Pay Anyone feature. The mobile app will now allow you to pay anyone even if they don't have a Chime account. PowerPay, a home renovation loan platform that launched in December 2019, has originated more than $1 billion in loans thus far and is on track to process $2.5 billion in loan applications this year. Way to go, PowerPay. Marcus, a digital bank owned by Goldman Sachs, is losing employees, according to Business Insider. The publication reports employees are getting burned out on the fast pace and ambitious development calendar. Get the whole story down below. There's a link for you there. And that's the FinTech news this week. Again, I'm Alan Taylor with tailored content. Don't forget to send me your FinTech news to alan@tailoredcontent.com. And if you're looking for a FinTech writer, here I am, look no more. Hey, don't forget to share, like this video, and subscribe to my channel.